Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a couple items that I had my Napa rep get me from Toyota. I'm going to show you the items. One item got superseded by color, so it's no longer the color it was. And I'm going to show you what they go to. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. It is for 1996 to 2002 third generation 4Runners and the interior. Thank you guys so much for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, I also do have some other things coming in the mail as well. So, my rep got me some parts. These are all clips. This is actually the door panel clip on the front door panels, as well as I believe the back. No, the back door panels do not have these. They only have these. So these are the brown color. They're dark brown. These are also supposed to be brown, but Toyota superseded them and said, you know what, we don't need to make the brown ones anymore. We're gonna all make them all in black, which is kind of aggravating because the door panels are brown. And I'll show you, I do have two of the door panels in the house. Door cards, door panels, it's the same thing. And these are the clips that you put on the back of the door panels that snap the door panel into the door. I was actually supposed to get 3 of these and 6 of each of these. Ended up getting 6 of these. And 3 and 3. So I had my rep contact Toyota, asked them to get me another 3 of these, another 3 of these. Kind of wish that these were brown too, because they're supposed to all match the panel. I do also have shifter bushings coming as well. I got 20 of those coming. I'll show you guys those in the video when I do that video when they get here. So these right here are called retainer door trim. Which is part number 67771-28020. These are like $1 or something a piece. I don't remember. Let's see what the receipt says. They're $1.87 a piece for these clips. Okay, and then this clip right here, which goes to the front of the panel, for the front doors particularly, all the way towards where the dash is. So when you open the door, you'll only see these clips when you open the door. So these are 90467-07085-Edward4. These are the little wide flange clips. These are $1.93 a piece. These are $1.93 a piece. And then the very last one is 90467-67066-22. And these little tiny clips are $1.44 a piece, right here. So these are $1.44 a piece. These guys right here are $1.93 a piece, and these guys are $1.87 a piece. So they're not really that expensive, and I'll show you guys where these go. So these clips right here. Here's the door cards in the house. These are the clips right here. So when these were made, all the clips were red, but usually 2. This one right here, and the 2 green ones are usually opposite of each other. So this one, and then this one. Now I picked these up because I had to glue this one, and one of the clips was missing, and this is the door cards off of the 97 4Runner. And here's the other one. So I have both of them in the house. I had to repair both of these. This one cracked right here. You can see that I glued it. But these, they're 2 green are on this side, the rest are red on this panel. But it doesn't really matter. Toyota made them in green, they made them in red. These clips will work on 1996 through 2002. They all have the exact same door cards, or door panels, however you want to look at it. These look just like the 2000 Limited I have. The SR5, the only difference is those panels are blue, but all the Limiteds have the exact same door cards. But these clips are these on the back, and that's basically when you push the panel on, it pops into place. And Toyota did leave a cutout right here, so when this panel is installed, there's enough room to reach in here with your hand and at least get to about this far right before the clip and pull. It'll help you assist to pull this clip off. It's usually this one up here that the actual housing breaks, and or this one right here that normally breaks. But this panel is kind of the same. This one right here is the one that broke. I had to glue this one, and I had to glue this one. And these are kind of on this side, they're kind of hard. But if I turn it over, this is the driver panel. So the driver panel, these clips right here, these wide ones that are more expensive than all of them, these go right here. So your dash is right here, and then when this door is closed, this clip is actually just covered by the dash piece. So this clip goes right here, and I think the light died. I got probably a couple minutes left of the light, but this clip, this really wide clip, goes right here. And then this little bitty clip right here actually goes on the side right here. On the back door cards, you have 2 of these little ones, but you don't have these, because on the back doors you have one right here on this side and you have one on this side, but you don't have one in the front, because this panel in the back doors is actually thicker. So right here it's really thin right here. On this side it's really wide. So on the back doors, this section right here is the same width on the back as well. But just wanted to show you guys that, give you guys an update, you know, give you guys some part numbers for some parts. I do have some more. I got 3 more of these coming. I got 3 more of these coming. And down the road, I'm gonna keep these part numbers. I'm probably gonna leave 1 or 2 of these in here. That way I can just take them to my rep, say, hey, I need this part number again, I need 20 of them, or I need, you know, blah, blah, blah. There are 7 of these clips throughout each panel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for the front and the back, as well as the front, driver, passenger, back, front, passenger. And the very back cargo, or the hatch door cover, has 8 or 10, I can't remember off the top of my head. But the reason I say that is, in order to replace all of them, if you just wanted to buy all new of these red clips for the doors, you would need close to about 120 of them. So you'd be looking at, you know, $1.87 a piece. You know, you'd be looking at a good 130 bucks to replace all the clips if you want to get them from Toyota. Napa has their little book that has, you know, different clips and you know, even clips similar to these. The problem with Napa though is their book, it covers more Ford, GMC, Chevy. It doesn't really cover Toyota, you know, Japanese or foreign or European cars. So their clips don't always line up. One thing I don't like about the Ford GMC, you know, they do have clips similar that look really dang near similar to this, but usually the base that goes into the frame of the truck, so this base right here, is usually a little bit wider And if it's wider, it means it sticks into the door, the frame, a lot tighter. And I've had issues getting these from like Napa, specifically for like Fords, and using them on the 4Runners, because it basically forces you to have to re-glue these panels. Because this, you know, like I glued this one right here. So this clip gets this with, you know, it's a little bit wider around, so when it goes in the hole, it physically spreads out in the hole, and it makes it dang near impossible to pry them out of the door panel, or the door frame itself. So what happens is, if these clips don't give away, so if you use like a Ford clip or a GMC clip that looks similar in size, it may attach to these panels with no issue. But what's actually going to happen is this prong might be a little bit wider than the Toyota style. So when you go to pull this door card panel off, what's going to happen is this is going to get stuck, and the one thing that's going to give is not going to be the metal doors, it's going to be this panel. So these hinges end up breaking off. And it happens, you know, these are Toyota clips, and it still breaks these hinges off. And I've had to re-glue my SR5s probably 3 or 4 different times. I just clean them up and re-glue them. You know, it's the way it is. You know, when you gotta take door panels off to repair actuators, and, you know, over time, you gotta take the door cards off. It just happens. But I figured I'd give you guys the information if you guys need it. I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. I will give you guys another video on the shifter bushings. So that way you guys will have that part if you guys need to do a shifter assembly bushing replacement on 1996 to 2002 4Runners. I do appreciate you guys this time. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!